say hello. Hi. And from here, hi. Walks all the way. Open the bin and drop it inside. Nice job, buddy. Next one. He picks up the can, walks all the way, open the bin and drop it inside. Last one, buddy. He picks up the plastic cup, walks all the way, open the bin and drop it inside. Good bird. So see, if the bird can do it, why can't we, right? So always remember. Welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our... So we have a total of 6 blue and gold flying macaws, namely Harry, Harding, Matt, Tony, Kyle, and Carl. So macaws are very adaptive. Whatever environment that they're in, it becomes quite normal to them. Meaning if they are surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. For their diet, they really... Alright, so here's how Greenwing macaw named Jumbo. So hi Jumbo, can you wave to the crowd like this? Okay, so everyone, can you wave back and say, hello Jumbo? So macaws are very long tails and feathers that can grow up from 3 feet from its head to tail. With a tail that roughly extends up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo's... Lastly, macaws' feet are zygomorphous, meaning they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backwards. You can also use the lips of the plastic basket and got his nuts. So as I said earlier, that Jumbo is a very special bird. You want to know why? Because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. So we have prepared 2 sets of tests for Jumbo. The first one is a spelling test. Now we have here 4 animal pictures. We have correctly. First letter, buddy. He picks up the letter Z, and for the next letter, he picks up the letter E for the third one. Take your time, buddy. There's no need to rush. He's still busy eating. He picks up the letter B, and for the next one, he picks up the letter R. For the last one, buddy. Last one now. He picks up the letter A. Good bird. So zebra spells Z-E-B-R-A. Is it correct? So since Jumbo did well in the first test, we will make it more difficult. Let's proceed to mathematical test in addition form. Now everyone, I need 2 numbers from 1 to 10. Can you raise your hands and say? Alright, first number, buddy. He picks up the number 1, and for the last number, he picks up the number 3. So 5 plus 8 is equals to 13, is it correct? So a round of applause to our Greenwing macaw named Jumbo. So at this moment, I need volunteer. I need an adult one. So sentineers are also known as sun parakeets. They are very playful, social, and have a very loud voice. They are natives to the northeastern parts of South America, like Brazil and Venezuela. Thank you so much, sir. You can now take your seat. For your name, Ding and Dong. So sentineers, they are monogamous type of birds, meaning they can only have one partner for a lifetime. But when their partner dies, that's the only time that they will find another mating partner. Thank you so much, ma'am. You can now take your seat. Alright. So hi, ma'am. Good afternoon. Welcome to the show. May I ask, what is your name? So hi, Ma'am Maricar. So, do you have your money, ma'am? Can you show it to them lang? Wave it to them lang, sir. So, Ma'am Maricar here is a 100 peso bill. So, I want you to fold your money into half, ma'am, 3 times at the same direction. That's 2. Last one, ma'am. Alright, and after that, ma'am, hold the tip of the money and extend your right arm like this. Now, ma'am, my question is, do you have an extra money? Okay, that's good to hear. So, did you hear, guys? She has an extra money. Okay, so are you ready, ma'am? Okay, so extend your right arm like this now, ma'am. Okay, so don't make extra movements. Now eyes here, everyone. As we have here our cute and fluffy Centennial, Bunny's twin, Sunny. So Sunny loves money. They're all in the wild. They love to pick up things and build their nest. Now let's see what Sunny will do. Sunny flies all the way to Mom Maricar and he picks the 100 peso bill. Bye-bye, Sunny, and bye-bye, 100 pesos. Easy money, right? Now, Mom, what is your message to our bird, Sunny?
Enjoy and 100.
Wow! Christmas gift na lang, Ma'am. So, Ma'am, serious question, Ma'am. Did you enjoy our show?
Very much.
So, since you enjoy, can we do it again, like another 1,000 pesos? Christmas naman, Ma'am. So, wow. So, I will help you get your money back. So, I want you to 50 pesos na lang, Ma'am. Is it okay? So, I'm just kidding, Ma'am. So, Sunny is a good bird. He loves seeds more than money. So, Sunny, can you come out here, please, and return the money? So, we have here Sunny. Sunny flies back all the way to Mama Ricar, and he puts the 100 peso back. Good job, Sunny. Now, Ma'am, what is your message to our bird, Sunny? Is that good bird?
Thank you, Sunny.
You're welcome now, Ma'am. So, Ma'am, since you're already here on stage, is it okay that you will be our last volunteer for our last act? Alright. As we have here a playful Centennial's name, Jack and Jill. Alright. So, fly to the first one and to the second one, and Jill made a shortcut. Can we do it again, Mr. Romnek? Fly to the first one and to the second one, and made to the third one. So, a round of applause to our playful Centennial's name, Jack and Jill. Thank you so much, Mom. So, Tuca-tucans is the largest and the best known toucan species around the world. It has a white throat and a black body that helps them camouflage in the rainforest. Now, Mr. James here has a platter of fruits. He will toss it to Mr. Horn. Now, let's see how good he is at catching his food. First try, Mr. James. Oh, he missed it. How about the second try? Nice catch, Mr. Horn. So, tuca-tucans have a large and beautiful bill that looks heavy, but in reality, it is extremely light. It is because it is made up of protein and keratin, just like our hairs and nails. Can we do it again, Mr. James? Good catch, Mr. Horn. So, we have a total of 40 toucan species around the world. And one thing they have in common is their large and beautiful bill. So, Mr. Horn, will you stay here with us or you want to go back inside?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Dustin. Again, everyone, is our yellow-crowned Amazon parrot named Lani and Ruby. Yellow-crowned Amazon parrot is the most commonly kept Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness. That's right, mimic the sounds of animals, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog. And also they can mimic a telephone ringing and a whistle. Okay, first is a rooster. With a rooster. Okay, how about cat? I need more. Okay, let's telephone. The last one is whistle.
Rudy and Lani did not to sing, but before they sing, they need to have a warm-up first.
Okay, let's do the warm-up. Okay, how about the first song? Okay, again. Okay, before the second song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today or within this month? Okay, hi, happy birthday, and now listen carefully because Danny and Rudy will sing a happy birthday song. You better sing happy birthday. Okay, again. Last one.
Wow, happy birthday to all the celebrants. Alright, so I think we're all set and ready. Now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together towards snatching prey of life, our Dominican named Glider. So Dominican, they have a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark brown in color. So this bird, it can live in the wild up to 30 to 40 years. Alright, reminders for everyone. So formerly known as red-backed sea eagle in Australia, but locally known here in the Philippines as Balok in Bisaya and Lawi in Tagalog. So this bird, so if you're wondering about his color, Shadow's age is a 1-year-old, while Glider's age is 3 years old. But when Shadow gets older, his color will be the same as Glider. Wow, that was so fast. Good job, Hunter. Now we have here again Mr. James. He has the real food or the real prey because Hunter will not let go of the lure until is changed. And as you can see, Mr. James here is wearing a thick gloves that protects himself from the sharp talons of the bird. Now this bird is under the red list of IUCN as endangered species threatened by habitat loss. It is considered as a medium-sized raptor that can grow up to 65 to 70 centimeters with a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. So a round of applause to our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. So from the medium-sized grand finale, keep your heads up high to our red-bellied sea eagle named Marina. So white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-crested sea eagle, or king of the sea. It has a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. So these birds of prey can be found in the skies of Australia, Sri Lanka, and Pakistan. Alright, so round of applause to our white-bellied sea eagle named Marina. And now, let me introduce to you the people behind this successful show. My partner here on stage, Mr. James, with our Scarlet Ibis on the left, and our Indian peoples on the right, together with the bird trainers, Mr. Irvin and Miss Donna. And to make this more memorable, we have here the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. So my name is Nelson. I hope you enjoyed the show. Thank you so much, everyone, and enjoy the rest of the wild. Alright, so if you want to take pictures of our photograph birds, kindly form a line here in the center. We have here official photographers, the view crew. And for those who have been to White Lion Safari, Camel Area Birds of the World, and African Savannah, just go up and turn to your left side, proceed to Orangutan area. That's the trunk stop for our key attractions inside. And our White Bengal Tiger feeding